Yeah, it's a log.
March the 6th, 2020. Duck River. It's up a little bit.
What are you saying that for?
I'm narrating my YouTube video. I'm gonna put that on the YouTube.
Alligators going down to Duck River.
I don't know, that thing floating, ain't it? Of all the times.
Someone under there is breathing. Look at the bubbles.
I think that's just pollution.
It's bubbles. Something blowing bubbles under there.
Me and Bubba went like 17, 18 miles that way.
In that nasty water.
We swam in it right up there where the beach, where the
It is nasty, Greg.
Hey, it's water. Supposedly that water is not polluted because the snail darter is alive in that water. And a snail darter is a good indication of pollution. I read that online.
Well, how come the water's so muddy?
It's just muddy. It don't ever clear up.
I know it don't.
But, yeah.
You know.
We rode all the way that way on top of the dam. And,
Oh!
what is wrong with you?
You get us out of here now.
There ain't no warning signs or nothing on top of that dam.
That water right there is clear. It ain't muddy.
That's coming out of a side stream.
Back up.
Uh-oh, I'm stuck. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That won't be funny.
I need you to get out and push.
That won't be funny.
Oh, she ain't right, boy. Yeah, I can't wait till it warms up. We're gonna come back down here and ride some more.
Go right into clean water.
There ain't no clean water.